Do you think looking sharp means looking formal? Most men think looking sharp means looking formal, but that's exactly why they always feel overdressed. Here's the problem. Casual is the most confusing dress code ever invented. It ranges from I literally rolled out of bed to I'm one accessory away from formal. And that massive gap is exactly why most men either look overdressed or completely underdressed. But what if I told you there's a sweet spot that makes you look sharp, approachable and perfectly dressed for any casual situation? By the end of this video, you will have 3 complete outfit formulas that work 90% of the time. And there are 5 key categories that nail this casual level perfectly. But I need to start with the most important one because it has more impact than everything else. Drop a comment right now. What's your biggest struggle with casual dressing? Looking too formal or looking too sloppy? Your shoes are everything. Sneakers equal basic casual. Leather shoes, instant sharp upgrade. You just went from weekend errands to this guy has his style figured out by changing one thing. Chelsea boots, Jodhpur boots, tassel loafers, suede penny loafers, even black penny loafers. Any of these work. But avoid black Oxford dress shoes. Those are reserved for business meetings and formal events and don't work with jeans. Brown and tan, these colors feel relaxed and approachable. They are your most versatile shoes. Black also works if the shoe construction is more casual, think loafers and Chelseas. And what makes footwear truly intentional? Quality construction. Black stitch or Goodyear welt means they are repairable and will last decades. How to care for these shoes? Brush after every wear. Apply shoe cream and wax from time to time. 5 minutes of maintenance once every month keeps them looking sharp for years. And there's something satisfying about taking care of quality pieces. Trousers make or break the entire look. Here's the thing about casual. It doesn't have to mean sloppy. Baggy jeans make you look like you borrowed someone else's clothes. Skinny jeans are uncomfortable and unflattering on most guys. Straight fit with clean lines. That's your target. Balanced, comfortable, timeless. Quality dark jeans work like magic when paired correctly. They started as workwear but become sophisticated with the right pieces. But here's my secret weapon most men never consider. Quality white jeans. White jeans are surprisingly versatile, and they pair with almost everything except black and white tops. They are your emergency backup when your tailored pants are at the dry cleaner, but they look completely intentional. Navy blazers, light gray jackets. White jeans make everything pop. Sand or stone cotton trousers are also exceptionally stylish. They pair well with most colors and casual jackets. Here are shirts that actually work. The Oxford cloth button-down is your best friend. Not just any button-down, Oxford cloth specifically. See this texture? It's not smooth like a dress shirt. It reads casual but polished. Compare that to a smooth dress shirt which screams I forgot my tie. White, blue, any color works. Chambray shirts and denim shirts are also fantastic. They have that relaxed workwear vibe but look intentional. A breathable linen shirt has the right texture to work as a casual shirt for an intentional look. But never wear white dress shirts casually. They belong with suits and ties. With a dress shirt and without a tie, you look half-dressed for a business meeting. Now, you might be thinking you've got everything you need. Good shoes, proper pants, the right shirts. But there's one piece that takes all of this from nice casual outfit to this guy knows what good style looks like. This is where everything clicks into place. Add one piece to your outfit and go from basic casual to sharp casual. Sports jacket. This single piece elevates everything without making you formal. A navy blazer is most versatile. Works with jeans, chinos, even white jeans. Light gray sports jacket for summer. Textured jackets like corduroy feel more relaxed but still sharp. The key to keeping it casual? Leave the jacket unbuttoned, pair with relaxed pants and casual leather shoes. Skip the tie, skip the dress shirt, skip the formal shoes. That's what keeps it approachable. Speaking of finishing touches, you don't want to miss the next step. Now here's what makes you look polished and intentional in casual wear. And it's surprisingly simple. A simple leather belt. Brown or black, match your shoes. Simple watch. Nothing flashy, just clean and well made. And that's it for most situations. Pocket squares can add some coordination if you want to play with it, but don't go overboard. With casual trousers and a sports jacket, keep it simple or skip it entirely. Here are your 3 go-to combinations for 90% of casual situations. Formula 1. Dark jeans, light blue Oxford shirt, a navy blazer, brown Chelsea boots. Never too formal, always appropriate. The modern way to look sharp. Formula 2. White jeans, chambray shirt, light grey jacket, suede loafers. Perfect for spring and summer situations. Formula 3. Sand cotton chinos, light blue linen shirt, light blue corduroy jacket, brown boots. More adventurous but still follows all our rules. Notice how these work anywhere? The colors harmonize and you look intentional without being overdressed. Here are the 4 rules that prevent every mistake. Rule 1. Get the fit right. Not skinny, not baggy, balanced. Good fit shows you got it right from the start. This means clothes that emphasize your body lines without squeezing you or putting you in a bag. It's not just aesthetically pleasing, it's actually the most comfortable fit of all. Rule 2. Match formality levels. Keep everything in the same spectrum. Don't mix formal dress shirts with casual jeans. Casual sports jackets with texture pair perfectly with casual trousers and shirts. You can do refined high-low mixing, but the safest bet is always keeping items in the same formality range. Rule 3. When unsure, err slightly overdressed. People respect effort more than they judge being too dressed up. Even something like a navy blazer might feel formal to you in our casual world. But most people will give you compliments for looking sharp and well-dressed, rather than thinking you're overdoing it. Rule 4. Leather shoes elevate everything, and they are the safest way to upgrade any casual outfit. If you invest in Blake Stitch or Goodyear Weld construction, you'll have a repairable pair that's reliable for years. Brush them after every use, apply cream and wax occasionally to protect the leather. You don't need to be the most dressed up person in the room. You want to be the most appropriately dressed person in the room. These aren't rigid uniforms, they are templates. Start with one piece, build from there.